Fort Lauderdale, Port Everglades. Would you stop?
It's gonna be fun.
Grand Princess, biggest boat that leaves Port Everglades.
I am the Grand Princess.
Grand Princess,
Stop, you're making me
biggest feet on a cruise ship. Bah! That ship is bigger than the hotel we stayed in last night. Not to mention bigger than the hotel that we're going to.
Not to mention bigger than Fish's last girlfriend.
Bigger than Kristen's feet. Oh, that's the sheriff boat there, Chrissy.
Those are made by my people. Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, little life raft gimmick in case the boat goes down like Titanic.
That's where I'm sleeping.
Women and me first.
Drop the camera, that would really suck.
It's around my neck.
Oh, do you want to zoom in on that? We'll get the sound effects and everything. Clunk. Exhibit. Hey. It's remnants of pop cap thing. What do you call them, John? Now we're gonna have to redo that. Quick with them.
Check out the lips on the fish.
Starfish.
All I can see is your face. You are here. Leaving Florida, leaving Florida.
Take care while moving around, not run, and pay close attention to the entranceway,
Bye-bye, you
especially
damn
those leading to the
terrorists.
restroom and open deck areas as they have raised doors still. Always use the handrails when using the stairways. Avoid wearing high-heeled shoes and refrain from venturing outside in rough weather. Handicapped passengers needing assistance are asked to please register at the purser's office. Please do not use the elevators during an emergency. For those of you who smoke, on your life jacket. Please pay close attention to the crew staff member who will demonstrate this procedure at your location. First, spread the jacket apart. Slip it over your head and down to your shoulders.
He's a pilot.
And wrap it
What the
around
hell's he
your
doing in the boat?
Secure the strap by fastening the buckle and finally tighten the strap. Please note that each life jacket coming up at 8:30 in the Starlight Showroom is our first session of Super Jackpot Bingo with some great cash prizes to be won.
Notice the Coast Guard uses Mercury's, not Yamaha shit.
That's our first session of Bingo taking place at 8:30 in the Starlight Showroom. And the Starlight Showroom is supposed to be at 8:30 this morning to drop off your free raffle ticket, so you can qualify for those free raffle drawings being held all morning long. Immediately following Bingo this morning in the Starlight Showroom at 9:15, there will be a very important segment. And once again, welcome on board. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please? This is the last and final call for all passengers wishing to enjoy our buffet breakfast. The dining room will be closing within 15 minutes.
ocean. We got a little Coast Guard escort this morning. Come on, get him to wave. Wave at him, Chris.
Huh?
Get him to wave.
Not looking.
Yeah, sons of bitches. Oh, damn! That's funny.
Gotta be.
That Joker's flying, man.
Yeah.
Damn.
Experiences and a whole lot more. Also, we do still have space for our native show tomorrow evening on the island, which is just $10 when you get your tickets here on board and $20 if you wait until you get to the island. That's our native show for tomorrow evening on the island, half price, only when you get your tickets here on board today. For more information regarding the island activities, stop by the floor desk. Again, we are located on Fort Lauderdale ship right next to the information desk. And right now, you'll find an opportunity to get your tickets here on board as the tour desk will be closing in exactly 20 minutes time.